Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Illustrator tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'll show you on how to switch from RGB color mode to CMYK. Just like what you see right here, the color preview of this particular document here is RGB. So how do you switch from RGB to CMYK? With a simple click in Illustrator. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you go to File, and from File, come down below right here where you have Document Color Mode. And this is going to pump up. What you need to do is simply switch to CMYK color right here. So immediately you switch to CMYK color, allow the color to be modified to your current color mode. And in a few seconds, everything will be modified to your preferred color mode. Just like what you see right here. So we have switched from RGB color mode to CMYK color mode, which simply means that everything in this artwork right here is going to be in CMYK. Whether shape, text, or what have you, it's going to be changed to the preferred current color as the case will be. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Illustrator software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.